1. Which of the following is not a symptom of malaria? A. Sensation of coldness and shivering of body. B. Running of high temperature. C. Vomiting at times. D. Running nose. Answer is D. Running nose. TAN hydropower complex has been built on which of the following rivers? A. Yamuna. B. Ganga. C. Gomati. D. Bhagirathi. Answer is D. Bhagirathi. Which of the following is not a river of Northeast Indian? A. Ganga. B. Kosi. C. Satluj. D. Tapti. Answer is D. Tapti. Tenzing Norgay conquered the Mount Everest with Edmund Hillary in A. 1943. B. 1948. C. 1951. D. 1953. Answer is D. 1953. Who wrote, "Politicians are the same all over, they promise to build a bridge even when there's no river"? A. Maxim Gorky. B. Nikita Khrushchev. C. Shobha Dey. D. Khuswant Singh. Answer is B. Nikita Khrushchev. What is the name of the currency used in South Korea? A. Euro. B. Krone. C. Dinar. D. Won. Answer is D. Won. Who of the following is not an Odissi dancer? A. Sanjukta Panigrahi. B. Uday Shankar. C. Sonal Mansingh. D. Kelukran Mahapatra. Answer is B. Uday Shankar. 12. The Sun Temple of Odisha has been built in the shape of a giant chariot pulled by A. 9 horses and 8 pairs of wheel. B. 7 houses and 11 pairs of wheel. C. 8 houses and 10 pairs of wheel. D. 7 houses and 12 pairs of wheel. Answer is D. 7 houses and 12 pairs of wheel. The first Indian railway line opened between Bombay and Thane on A. the 9th of January 1852. B. the 18th of April 1853. C. the 21st of May 1954. D. the 26th of June 1955. Answer is B. the 18th of April 1853. The Indian Railways, the second largest rail network in the world, handles about A. 70% of passenger and 75% of cargo traffic. B. 75% of passenger and 80% of cargo traffic. C. 78% of passenger and 85% of cargo traffic. D. None of these. Answer A. 70% of passenger and 75% of cargo traffic. Who of the following are not a cartoonist? A. R. K. Laxman. B. Shankar Pillai. C. Amrita Pritham. D. Sudhir Dhar. Answer is C. Amrita Pritham. Mother Teresa, the first non-Indian, who got Nobel Prize in 1979 and Bharat Ratna, was born in A. Czechoslovakia. B. Zurich. C. Kolkata. D. Albania. Answer is D. Albania. Rajtarangini, composed by the famous Indian poetess Kalhana, gives a vivid history of A. Kashmir. B. Himachal Pradesh. C. Rajasthan. D. Haryana. Answer is A. Kashmir. For which sports is Val Barker Cup awarded in the Olympic Games? A. Swimming. B. Boxing. C. Long jump. D. High jump. Answer is B. Boxing. Which of the following statement about Kalpana Chawla is false? A. She was an Indian-born Russian cosmonaut and engineer. B. She went to Spus in Space Shuttle Columbia on a 16-day voyage in 1997. C. She along with crew of 6 others was killed on the 1st of February, 2003 while landing in the second voyage of Columbia. D. None of these. Answer is A. She was an Indian-born Russian cosmonaut and engineer. Which of the following is not a painter? A. Satish Gujral. B. Amrita Shergill. C. Jamini Roy. D. Begum Akhtar. Answer is D. Begum Akhtar. Which one of the following statement is incorrect? The function of the lungs is to I. Purify blood. 2. Separate carbon dioxide and water vapor from blood. 3. Supply oxygen to blood. IV. Supply pure blood to all parts of the body. A. Only I is incorrect. B. Only E is incorrect. C. Only E is incorrect. D. Only IV supply pure blood to all parts of the body. Answer is D. Only IV supply pure blood to all parts of the body.